Hey guys, this is Anjali and welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about our hair care routine that we do not follow these days because of our hectic schedule. So it's very important to take care of your hairs as well, like you take care of your skin. So definitely hairs are also equally important, and yeah, that's about it. So let's get started with the video. But before starting this, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Vilkhoo with Anjali. So let's not blabber anymore and let's get started with the video. So basically a lot of us faces a lot of issues related to our hair problems, especially due to dirt, pollution and all. Hairs actually tend to get damaged or they look really rough and dull, due to which we have to just go to the salon and get those hair spas done, which are really expensive. So it's very important to take care of our hair at home itself, and for that we have a lot of home remedies as well, but we actually don't have time to do all those home remedies these days. But if in case you have time to do home remedies, you can actually go for it, because home remedies actually work for your hair. So here I have two products for you which will be really helpful for you in taking care of your hair if in case you don't have time to do all those home remedies. And yeah, so first of all, I have these products from a brand called as Sesa. I hope many of you might have heard about this brand. It is not a very unknown brand or something, because this is something that people actually use, and you might have seen ads on a brand called as Cesa and their products as well. So the first thing that I have over here is Cesa Ayurvedic Strong Root Hair Oil. It has 25 rare herbs, 6 essential oils plus milk. It helps in building healthy hair and also making your roots strong. It helps you in reducing hair fall and also enhances your hair growth. And also I am using the product since I have received it. The smell of this can actually irritate you a little bit, but not too much. If you are that person जिसको smell से बहुत ज़्यादा irritation होती है, in that case I'm telling you, just a suggestion that आप shampoo से 1 घंटा पहले you can just do that oiling part, and then after 1 hour you can just shampoo your hair and you're just good to go. So this is the Ayurvedic Strong Roots Hair Oil, and you will also get this this small tool with this, which really helps you in putting that oil on your scalp, and it makes sure कि आपकी जो भी scalp में हर एक कोने में जो oil है वो हर जगह चला जाता है. So yes, this is one thing that I really like about the hair oil. So let's just discuss some benefit of this hair oil. So it helps you in treating the root cause of hair problems naturally. These products are actually Ayurvedic. As you already know that I do a lot of videos on Ayurvedic products, because I love Ayurvedic products. They're completely paraben free, they don't have any alcohol. In fact, they don't have any kind of chemical based ingredients in them. Okay, so it has hibiscus, which improves blood circulation and enhances hair growth. And next it has aloe vera, which nourishes and conditions the scalp. So it has two important ingredients, that is hibiscus and aloe vera, and also it is 100% natural and trusted by doctors. So this is the hair oil, and next thing that I have over here is that is Cesa Ayurvedic Strong Roots Hair Strengthening Shampoo plus Conditioner. Now this is 2-in-1 thing, because you will get shampoo and conditioner in one bottle itself, which is such a great thing. Like, it saves a lot of time. It is paraben and sulphate free, which is too good, and it is basically and it helps you in treating your dry, weak and brittle hair. It is infused with natural extracts from banyan tree and 25 other herbs, which gently cleanse the scalp and conditions it, resulting in stronger roots and smoothing of your hair. So yes, this is one thing that I really love, and I think as for me the products are really affordable. I would first of all suggest you to definitely buy them and see them. If you like it, do let me know through comment section. I've already mentioned the detailed link and everything down below in the description box, so do not forget to check the description box. So basically one should understand the importance of hair care, and it's very important to take care of hair as well, to make your hair look healthy. A healthy hair definitely gives you a better and a healthy lifestyle. And that's about it. If in case you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you soon again in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.